Okay, it's recording.
Hi.
Hi.
You narrate. It's your camera.
I'm not narrating.
I only narrate my camera.
There's Emma. Just zoomed in on your face. Sorry.
Oh, look at that. Narrator doesn't have anything going on.
The narrator doesn't have anything to say.
No, I really don't.
Oh, we just ate Thai food.
This is us at dinner.
We're eating.
I'm narrating because Jenny's too much of a wuss. But this is us at dinner.
I'm a reporter. I don't narrate.
At the Thai house.
At the Thai house.
In Bloomington, Illinois.
It's quite delish. And she's flicking Tom off. That's Tom. You haven't met him before.
It's true.
This is part of our road trip.
And this is Emma.
And this is Emma. We like Emma.
We do.
We're not sure about Tom yet.
Yeah, I don't know. He's questionable.
However, boneable, so it's fine.
Pause.
No, it's still recording.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
And end scene.
And with that...